Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok Capcut template. First, go to the TikTok application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here, tap on menu on your top right. Then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on report a problem. From the topics, select videos and sounds. Then tap on video shooting. After that, select the option of other from the list. Select the option of no to proceed further. Then select need more help. In the given box, you need to type your problem just like I did. Type that I need to fix Capcut templates not showing. Help me please. You can also attach a picture or video with your report. Once you're done, tap on submit. TikTok will soon contact you back to solve this problem. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.